This is the verified injector kit.
Why are they verified?
They're verified because I check and unpack everything, all the stock, and it's proper Australian stock, not that stuff that's cheap and too good to be true. Now, there's a couple of things we've got to check with these before we send them out.
What do we need to check?
I need to check, A, they're not broken, and also that they're the correct injectors, because they have been in the wrong boxes before. So if that happens to me, it could happen to anyone. If you get it from me, it's going to be 100% verified. Now that I've verified and checked them and they're all good to go, what I do is I repack them 2 per 1 box, because I think they're safer like that and with a whole heap of protection so they can't be damaged in freight.
Okay. So what else is in the injector kit?
All these fuel pipes, they're brand new and verified. When replacing the injectors, you must replace the fuel pipes. What else? Okay, what else? All this stuff. So seals and gaskets, everything you need, all genuine parts, all once again checked for damage. These could also have been damaged on the way to you, depends where you get your stuff from, on the way to your supplier being supplied. We check everything. That's why it's verified. All genuine parts, everything you need, nothing you don't. That looks terrible. That looks terrible, doesn't it? But it's verified. And I'll tell you what, is anything in there going to get damaged?
No.
Exactly. And did we waste any materials and purchase packing, or do we recycle everything we use?
We recycle.
Absolutely recycled. That's it. Bada bing, bada boom. That is verified. It might not look good, but the post service could probably play soccer with it, and I reckon it'll be okay. Hopefully they don't, but we've got it covered. It's in the bag. It's hiding in the bag. They all go express post. So that means if you contact me the right day by text message, it gets packed and sent the same day. Otherwise, definitely within a few days or a week, subject to being closed for holidays, sick days, whatever it might be. Follow the Prado Hospital Facebook page if you're in Australia for the latest announcements. And we can only send injector kits, BFE kits, front wheel bearings to people in Australia, but all over Australia. It's only early, 2 down, plenty to go. So we better pull our finger out and get on with it and get the rest done. Are you ready?
Ready.
And then there were 3.
So now that you know all that, you know what to do to get what you need for one of these.
Welcome back, Prado 150 here. Speaking of which, what do we do?
You don't know what to do?
I don't know what to do. What
do
we do?
If you would like an injector kit for your 1kd, keep watching the videos. There's a playlist called How to Buy My Kits, which has got most of all the information you need. And best contact is by text message, not WhatsApp, not Messenger, not everything else, not an email, just a text message.
Not the way I try and contact you.
That's right. Not even an iMessage, just a text message.
What about in person?
And the phone number is listed on the YouTube channel. It's listed on the Prado Hospital Facebook page, and it's in the videos. It's not a phone call service. It's not a tech hotline. All the info you need is in the videos. Wouldn't you agree all the info's in the videos?
Sure is, mate. Definitely.
And
100% agree.
And you've got all the time to watch them all, haven't you?
I do.
All right, Prado 150. Get out of here. We're done.
See you on the next one.
Subscribe, turn the bell on, and catch you on the next video.
That's it.